In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up hotkeys on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do here inside ThinkorSwim, on the right hand side at the top, you want to click on Setup and you want to click on Application Settings. Now here you will see you have a few different tabs and you want to go to the Hotkeys tab, and in here you can see all the different hotkeys you can set up. So there's a bunch of different ones. Just select the one you want to set up, for example this one, and click on it over here. It's going to basically open this function here. It's going to say what the function is, for example this general analyze, and then here the hotkey can be none, it can be default, which is of course by default a specific hotkey on every single thing you can change, and then here you can also make it custom. So you can click on custom, you can select whatever you want it to be, and then you can go ahead and select if you want to basically have it in a combination with Control Alt or the Shift key, and then you can just click apply settings. This is going to get applied, and that way you've successfully set up your hotkeys, and you can just go ahead and go through each and every single one of these, and then just of course select them and change to whatever you want. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.